What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the Epic Pulls channel. We have got a nice Vivid Voltage opening for you guys today. We've each got a 3-pack blister and a single sleeved blister as well. So we are going to be cracking into these and seeing if we can't find some epic Vivid Voltage pulls. I'll go ahead and start us off with the sleeved pack. Got a Celebi art here. Let's see what that might have in it, and it is glued in there, of course, to the pack. There we go. So got Celebi art inside, and let's get this started and see if we can get some first pack magic. Code card for you guys there. 4 on the front. And here we go with a Loudred, Winden Stadium, Zebstrika, Blitzel, Milcery, Skiddo, Eevee, Trubbish, Sableye, and a holographic Zekrom. Holo hit on the first pack. We'll certainly take that as well.
Alright, I'm gonna open this one with the Zarude artwork.
I'll go ahead and get this blister unpacked while he's getting into that, and get our packs out.
That Celebi artwork for the pack. Alright, hoping for some first pack magic.
Alright, and here we go. Got a Macargo, League Staff, Krokorok, Execute, Eevee, Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot, Reverse League Staff, and a non-holo Samurott. Alright, got my blister opened up. We got 3 packs in there, as well as a awesome looking Lugia coin, and of course the holographic Vaporeon promo. Code card for you guys if you want that Vaporeon. And let me start it off with an Orbeetle pack. Code card coming in. Let me know if you guys were able to get any Shining Fate pre-orders, and if you guys got lucky enough to get some on reserve. I know we did get a couple packs here, but I'm interested to hear if you guys got some as well. Got a Tailo, Yanma, Wooper, Dedenne, Pick-a-Peck, a Reverse Electros, and a non-holo Dreadnought.
Alright, here's that code card if you guys want the Vaporeon. Getting into the first pack, Celebi artwork.
Let's bring in that amazing rare Celebi that we have yet to pull. Looks like we got a spoil there on a green code. However, we could still hold an amazing rare. So let's see if we can get lucky. Galarian Stunfisk, Aromatic Energy, Mightyena, Drillbur, Wailmer, Cottony, Clobopus, Electrike, a Reverse Charmeleon, and an Alcremie non-holographic. Save the Pikachu pack for last, and we'll jump into another Celebi and see what we've got here. Code card, 4 on the front, and starting with a B, Dewott, Aromatic Energy, Riolu, Chimico, Nincada, Voltorb, Rockruff, Reverse Holo Wailord, and a holographic Magearna. Not a bad pull. Definitely take a holo any day of the week. 2 holo pulls so far out of the Vivid Voltage. Still looking for that ultra rare hit. If you guys have been lucky enough to pull that Rainbow Pikachu, let us know down below how many packs did it take you to pull it. We are definitely a few hundred packs in and still trying to pull one. Aromatic Energy, Duskull, Electrike, Pineco, Mudbray, Poochyena, Reverse Voltorb, and a non-holo Lucaria. Final pack for me, got that Pikachu artwork. So far, the blisters have not been too rewarding, but it is not over until it is over. Code card, final pack, needs some last pack magic to find us an ultra rare hit, starting off with an Excadrill, Nuzleaf, Opal, Yanma, Wooper, Pick-a-Peck, Dedenne, Chewtle, Reverse Excadrill, and a non-holo Shiftry.
Oh no.
No magic today or epic pulls for me.
Alright.
Final pack of the video. Let's see if it can bring us something good.
Come on. I believe in this pack. Feeling it's good.
Sableye, Galvantula, Gogoat, Mudbray, Slugma, Whismur, Execute, Woobat, Reverse Hitmontop, and a Terrakion non-holographic. Can't win them all, and today was one of those days. Sometimes that's just how the pack opening goes. Out of 8 packs, we managed to pull a holographic Zekrom and Magearna. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and we'll be back to get some more epic pulls.